Hey, Coach Greg here at Svelte Training, and today we have another full body workout for you. We are gonna tight and tone our bodies. So maybe you want your arms right, your legs right, your core right. This is gonna get you where you wanna go. So let's just jump right into it and have some fun. All right, so this is gonna be fast, this is gonna be furious, so grab your water, have a flat surface, and pay attention to me because we are gonna burn some calories, baby. So we're gonna be doing 3 sets. First set will be more explaining and demonstrating the exercises, and then the next 2 sets will be more of a complete run through of all of them because by then you'll know exactly what you're doing. We're gonna be sweating, it's gonna be fun, and we're gonna be tightening and toning all of this. So here we go with exercise number 1. All right, we're gonna get started with some squat pulses. We're gonna come out strong right out the gate. Have your feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna focus on getting as deep as we can, whatever's comfortable for you. The trick is we just wanna stay in a motion here. We don't want to stand up tall because that relieves the tension and we want the tension. So get as deep as you can and then try not to lock out your knees and just stay in a range like that. So here we go, 30 seconds and let's do it. Squats are just a great full body exercise. You may not believe it because you're like, I only feel it in my legs, but if you're tightening your core, you can use your arms, right? You can do overhead. There's so many different ways you can do this. So the squat pulses just helps put more tension, helps you burn more. So right here, a couple more seconds. Using the TV as a guide. Here you go. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Oh. All right, moving right along, give our legs a break and do some monkey pulses with our arms. 30 seconds, here we go. Really try to squeeze. Goal is almost to see if we can get our elbows in line with our eyebrows. I am not flexible enough for that. We're really working out those triceps, those shoulders. Maybe if you're a little more coordinated than I am, you can add some overhead raises in there as well. Or you could just keep it here. Nothing wrong with that. I almost like to have my edges of my hands touch together right here. Just like that, you're feeling your chest, feeling your shoulders and your arms. A couple more seconds, 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake out those arms. We're gonna go right into kick crunches. Ready yourself. Here we go, 30 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Focus on kicking one leg out and reaching with your other arm. So really reach across, just like that. We're working out that core, baby. Now, if you can't reach your toes when you kick forward, just do this right here. Slap those thighs, just like that. Really focus on that crunch forward though. There you go. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Shake out your arms, shake out your legs. We're gonna finish with some reverse lunges. If you have a mat, if you don't, just stand. Give yourself space to be able to lunge backwards. 30 seconds, and here we go. We're just gonna alternate between one leg after the other. I love lunges because they're a great balancing exercise. And maybe you feel like one leg is stronger than the other. These type of exercises will figure that out for you. Now, if you can't do a full lunge, no worries. You can also have something in front of you. Like normal lunges, it's hard to have like a stabilizer, but with these, you can hold on to a bench, a chair, really focus on getting that knee flexion. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, let's do one more, and 1. Great job. There you have it. That is your 4 exercises for this tone and tighten full body workout. Grab some water. You now know what you're doing. So let's do these next 2 sets and let's have fun. All right, you feel good? Remember, we got squat pulses, monkey pulses, kick crunches, and reverse lunges. It's gonna be fun. Here we go. Squat pulses in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Monkey pulses in 3, 2, let's go. Kick crunches in 3, 2, 1. Reverse lunges in 3, 2, 1. Great job. That was your second set. I feel good. I hope you feel good too. Water time. And then we're gonna finish off with set number 3. You've done so well. Come on, let's finish strong. Set number 3, you already know what you're doing. Let's have some fun, baby. Squat pulses in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Monkey pulses in 3, 2, let's go. Kick crunches in 3, 2, 1. Reverse lunges in 3, 2, 1. Full body workout, done and dusted. Hope you feel more toned. You feel like you've tightened, you know, maybe your core, maybe your thighs, maybe your arms, whatever it is. Leave a comment below. Let us know if you enjoyed this workout. And if you haven't already, subscribe, please. But then if not, click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. Just lets us, you know, feel better about ourselves, right? Everybody wants that. Hope you have an amazing day. I'm Coach Greg, and I'll see you later. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.